Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about the Cartier jewelry pieces and two collections in particular, the Love collection and also the Juste and Clou collection. And I'll be talking about the bracelets and the rings of those two collections, and also for my b-rolls I used the bracelets of my mom and my sister and mine combined all together, so you can see the differences between sizes and colors and diamonds, no diamonds, so everything will be included in this video. So let's start with the Love collection and probably the Love rings. So the one I have is this one. This is a love ring in rose gold in a thinner version. I bought it last year and I just love the look of it. It is so tiny, it looks so delicate and very cute. I bought it to match my Love bracelet. It's the same one, thin version, rose gold, so I can wear them as a set together. So apparently the Love rings have a very powerful meaning to them. The white gold band stands for friendship, yellow gold stands for loyalty and fidelity in marriage, and rose gold stands for pure love. How beautiful is this? And my dad gifted this to me last year and it really is pure love. So this piece is definitely very special and very dear to my heart. I did compare it to my mom's ring. She has the exact same one in rose gold, but the thicker one with diamonds, 4 diamonds I believe, and as you can see it looks so stunning. It looks way bigger, but the actual size of the ring is actually smaller than mine. I picked out the wrong size for some reason. It is slightly loose on my finger. That's why I don't wear it all the time, because I'm just scared it's gonna fall out and I'll lose it forever, and I don't want that, so I do take it off at home, but I do wear it pretty much all the time when I go out of the house. So as you can see, the difference is pretty significant. Hers is a lot thicker, a lot wider, it's more substantial, it's very solid, it's more visible, it catches a lot of attention because it also has some diamonds and it looks just so beautiful and so stunning. It really stands out, and I'm gonna show you my mom's stack. She wears it as her wedding band and I think it looks absolutely stunning on her. But interesting thing is that the price difference between thin and thick Love ring is not that big. I believe it's about 500 Swiss francs, so I think if you are to buy a ring separately you should definitely go for a thicker version. Even better, you can go for a diamond version. It is, in my opinion, such a timeless piece. And also, fun fact, Cartier Love ring is actually the most popular jewelry piece from Cartier. Everybody wants it, everybody loves it, especially younger generation. It looks very bold, it looks very minimalistic, very fashionable, though it goes with absolutely everything. You can wear it every day without even taking it off, and I know that a lot of men buy these rings as well. I think they look fabulous on both men and women, and if you're just thinking of getting into Cartier, I think Love ring is the most perfect choice to go for. Now let's talk about the Love bracelet. As I mentioned before, mine is in rose gold, thinner version. I will also insert some clips, and I'm gonna be comparing my bracelet to my mom's bracelets. As you can see, they are so beautiful and mine looks so modest compared to the other two, but my mom has the same rose gold, but again in thick version with diamonds, same as the ring. It looks so nice. I asked her why she decided to go for the thick version with diamonds, and she said that she likes, and I know it's for a fact, but she loves big and chunky jewelry pieces and she loves diamonds, so it just made sense. And rose gold because it's just so elegant, it looks very feminine, and I totally agree with that. Again, just like with the ring, it looks much bigger, much more substantial than my bracelet. It is thicker, it is wider, but also the price difference is quite large. I believe the gap between the two is about 2,000 to 3,000 Swiss francs, which is quite a lot in my opinion. And again, if you're just entering Cartier, if you're just starting your collection, you should definitely go for a thinner version. But if you want it to be a forever piece, then I would recommend going straight to the larger size, and you wouldn't regret it. Because before I was into very delicate, tiny little jewelry pieces, but now I realized that long term it's better to go for a thicker version. Although I really love mine, I think it looks so beautiful and so cute. It is also very special because it was a gift from my back then boyfriend, now husband, for my 21st birthday, and it was so unexpected. I didn't know he was gonna buy me the bracelet. I was honestly in shock because I know it is so expensive, and I just didn't expect that. But this leads me to a little story time about the Cartier Love bracelet. It was designed in New York in 1969 by Aldo Cipollone. I think that's how you pronounce his name. There is a rumor that he was inspired by the chastity belt, the one that men used to put on their women to avoid any infidelities in the marriage or something like that. That's what I've read, and he basically wanted to create a modern interpretation to this very powerful symbol of fidelity and love and unity and loyalty, and that's when he came up with the Love bracelet. It has a very simplistic look, but the most charming part about this bracelet is definitely its very unique lock. You need to use a screwdriver in order to open or lock it, and once you lock it, you have to wear it forever as a symbol of love and a committed relationship. And back in the day when the bracelet was just released, you were not allowed to go to store by yourself and purchase it for yourself. The screwdriver was meant to be kept by your better half, and that's why you had to give him or her hints to go and get the bracelet for you, because otherwise there is no way you were able to get it. And there is also a rumor that back in the day hospitals had to keep the screwdrivers of this bracelet, the Love bracelets, in the hospitals just in case some patients needed to go into surgery, or just in case the bracelet had to be removed urgently. That's what I've read. I'm not sure if that's true again. I think this is the last fun fact, but basically back in the day before the bracelet was created, people would only wear jewelry for special occasions, like only. In the everyday life, they just wouldn't wear jewelry, you know, it didn't make sense for them back then. But then when the Love bracelet was introduced, and the fact that you couldn't take it off, so you had to wear it constantly, people over time changed their perspective on jewelry, and now it has become such a casual thing and such a must for every girl to wear some jewelry as a little detail to the outfit, to tie the whole outfit together. I wear my jewelry every day. I think it's such an important part of my outfit. It ties everything together, and I also change jewelry depending on the outfit I'm wearing or the mood I'm in. So I, for example, wear my bracelets every day. I never take them off. Same goes for my necklace and for my earrings. I feel naked without my earrings and without my bracelets and without my necklace. I know it sounds ridiculous, but that's how I feel, and so I never ever take it off. And I can't believe that back in the day people would only wear jewelry for some special occasions. That's just such a weird thing to hear. As you can see, the difference between the bracelets is very, very large. You can compare the sizes by looking at the first bracelet, the double bracelet, the one that has white gold and rose gold. I think this is the only combination it comes in, so you can only get it in rose gold and white gold with diamonds, and you can see how large the difference between the two is. What I love the most about Love bracelets is that they come in so many different variations, gold types, etc., like diamonds, no diamonds, sapphires, whatever you want, and the price range also varies by so much, and depending on your budget you can choose the perfect bracelet for you. I think the starting price goes from 1200 Swiss francs, probably. I might be a little bit wrong, but I'll insert all the pictures in here so you can see by yourself and compare the prices. But I love the fact that there are more affordable versions of this bracelet and anyone can get access to one. Now let's talk about the Juste and Clou bracelets. I borrowed my mom's and my sister's bracelet, and all of them are very different from each other. So my bracelet is in yellow gold and thick version, so the regular version. Then my mom's is the same one but in white gold with diamonds, and my little sister has the one in yellow gold but thin version, the very tiny flexible version. So this one, if you want to open it, you just have to pull this part up and it opens up. It's very easy. With the thin one, you don't have to do that. It's very flexible. The gold is super flexible that you can squeeze your arm in and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about it opening by itself. I went through this issue with the Juste Clou bracelet, so I had to return it back and exchange it to a new one. This one has a very good clasp and it never failed me. It stays on all the time, no matter what. I wear it non-stop all the time. Keep that in mind. Sometimes you might have some issues both with Love bracelet and the Juste Clou bracelet, so just keep that in mind. But they have pretty good customer service, so you don't have to worry about it. The price difference between Juste Clou bracelets is quite large between the flexible version, like the thin version, and the regular version. I believe it's about 4,000, and both look super cute. I like both styles, but I prefer the larger one. And you can also find Juste Clou bracelet in different variations. Diamonds, no diamonds. I don't think they come in sapphire versions. I doubt that. Or any other color stones. I believe it's only diamonds, and they're super tiny ones. I will also insert all the pictures in here so you can check it out. And also, guys, I have to introduce you to a new little piece that I've added onto my collection less than 2 weeks ago. I believe it's been 13 days, 12 to 13 days. So let me go get it for you. So here's the little dust bag. I do have a box and everything, but you know, I couldn't be bothered because I've already worn it, and I wear this item pretty much every day. So dun, 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 dun. This is what I got. I got myself the Juste Clou ring, same as my bracelet, so the regular version, not the thin one, and it's also in yellow gold, and I think it is so beautiful. It is so cute, and I really love stacking it together with my love ring. I think both of them look so adorable together. It was a little bit uncomfortable at the beginning, getting used to having this little part over here digging into my skin, but now it's totally fine. Like, I'm completely used to it. It's just such a beautiful ring, and together with the love ring, they look absolutely stunning. If I want to, I can wear it on a different finger for a different look. This is what it looks like. I like both looks, but I don't like them hitting each other like this. It really bothers me, and I don't really want them to get scratched. I don't want this one to get scratched, I would say. That's why I just put it together with my love ring, and this way they barely touch each other, as you can see. So I really love this combination. I bought it right before the price increase because I was just so worried about the price increase. You know, with Chanel it was about 17%, which is insane. So I was like, oh my god, I can't believe this one increases by 17%. I don't think I'll buy it. And I've been wanting this ring for such a long time. I pulled the trigger. I went to the store. I talked to the SA about it. I asked him a bunch of questions about the price increase. He was like, but how do you know? I'm like, everybody knows on the internet. And he was so surprised. But honestly, the price increase was only by 40 Swiss francs. Like 40, that's less than 3%. And when I told my mom about the price increase, she got scared as well. She asked me to look for the same love bracelet as she has, but in white gold, also with diamonds. And basically the price difference was only 200 Swiss francs. And I was like, Mom, is it worth it? I think it's better if you come directly to store whenever you can, take a look at it, try it on, and just get it yourself instead of me rushing into buying it for you. And she was like, yeah, it makes sense, so I'll just wait. So the price increase wasn't that bad, and I couldn't wait with this purchase, but I'm still glad that I got it when I got it. I think it's so stunning. Like, I love it. So the Juste Clou collection was created about the same time as the Love collection in the 70s, and it's basically a shape of a bent nail. It looks so beautiful, so edgy, and so modern as well. It's something so super unique. And I have also read that it was Cartier's move to reconnect with the younger clientele through the reflection of the rebellious spirit and raw energy in New York City. Back in the 70s, there were so many movements going on, so it definitely made sense, and I think it resonated so well with the younger audience. Right now, girls love edgy stuff. They love something bold, something unique, and this is such a perfect collection for that. It is super unique. It looks very minimalistic again, just like the Love collection. It is super simple, but at the same time there is just something about this collection. It is not for everyone. I know most people prefer the Love collection, but I mean, if you have Love collection, you should definitely try out the Juste and Clou because it's as good as the Love collection. And now the verdict. Should you invest in Cartier jewelry pieces? For sure, I would highly recommend them. I had only one issue with my Juste and Clou bracelet. It was exchanged, so now I have zero problems with it. I am so obsessed with both, and I think in order to enjoy these pieces even more, you have to have some meaning behind them. They should for sure be connected to some happy event, happy something in your life, so you can feel happy wearing them on a daily basis, because over time you can definitely get a little bit tired of wearing the same jewelry pieces. But I feel like if you have a good story behind them, you will never ever get tired of them. Which ones I would recommend buying first? I think it should be the Love collection. You should start with a Love ring, and you should give your better half a hint to get you a Love bracelet, hence the fun name, the modern Love handcuffs. But regardless, the Juste and Clou is also an amazing collection to take a look at. In terms of gold, it really depends on your personal style. I feel like if you're going for white gold, it is something more simple, it is something more casual, whereas rose gold or yellow gold are, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, but rose gold and yellow gold look a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more elegant, but it's totally up to you. If I could, I would have the whole stack of everything. White gold, rose gold, yellow gold, of everything. The Juste and Clou, Love, everything. And one last thing I wanted to add is that Cartier jewelry pieces for some reason don't hold their value on the pre-loved market. If you decide to sell something one day, you will not get your money back, that's for sure. In this case, you aren't really paying for gold. What you're paying for is brand. Same with designer bags and shoes. You aren't paying for what you get, you're paying for a brand. These items don't hold their value, but I feel like if you're buying them for yourself, why would you even consider selling them? They're such timeless pieces that should stay with you in your collection forever. That's my opinion. And also, if you're buying your first Love bracelet, Love ring, Juste and Clou bracelet or ring, whatever you're getting, a necklace, maybe earrings, I don't think you should go and look at the pre-love market, because the whole experience buying your first Cartier piece in the boutique is just, I cannot describe it. It's just so special and so unique, and you will remember it forever, so this experience is totally worth it. But if you will still look at the pre-love market, definitely check the inside of the item for the serial number. Each of these pieces has its unique serial number, which is then kept in New York City. I believe it's in New York, I'm not sure, but they have this huge database with all the serial numbers of each piece, because all of them are so different. Make sure to look at that, and also at the little booklet, like the authenticity card with the serial number, the date of purchase, and the stamp from Cartier. So just make sure to look at that as well. I do clean my jewelry every once in a while, and I use the kit that I was given in Cartier. The kit includes soap brush, cleansing soap, and also the cloth, and after washing them they look so nice. They look like new, they shine so bright. If you want to, you can do that 3 times in the lifetime of a jewelry piece, but you can polish it, except for the ones that have diamonds in them. If you have diamonds on your bracelet or your ring, they have some special thingy with the ultrasound that cleans your jewelry piece, but otherwise you can definitely polish the item. But keep in mind that polishing it means removing a layer of your gold, and over time these little details on the Love ring will just fade away. You won't be able to see them anymore, and the ring will just become even thinner. So don't just go after a year and polish your ring. You can only do it 3 times in a lifetime of a jewelry piece, and Cartier recommends you do that every 10 years, so I still have a very long time until I can go and get them polished. But you know, these jewelry pieces have been through so much with me, and every scratch means something, and I love to look back at it and remember all the good times we had together, as well as bad, if the scratch is too deep, when I fell once. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a little bit longer than I expected it to be, but I really had to go through everything. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!